ka na, ikaw.
Live from New Era High School.
I am Winda Chilenares,
And I am John Gabriel Borromeo,
bringing you the hottest news for this hour. This is 94.4 The Press. For the international news, executed Japanese journalist peace tweet goes viral.
For national news, police officer died in mall shooting.
For the local news, Battle of the Bands 2015 rocks NAHS.
In sports, Pelicans breaks Hawks' 19th game winning streak.
Why is Peter Pan always flying?
Why?
Because he never lands. Oh!
For the international news, John Kenneth Patron has this report.
A tweet by murdered journalist Kenji Goto on the virtue of being calm was spreading rapidly on social media yesterday. Days after he was apparently beheaded by Islamist militants, he quoted, "Close your eyes and remain patient. It's over once you get angry or yell. It is almost like praying. Hating is not the rules of humans. Judgment is God's domain." End of quote. Goto's brutal execution by militants from the Islamic State movement has provoked an outpouring of emotion in Japan. Goto's execution was announced in a video posted late Saturday by Islamic State militants. This is John Kenneth Patron reporting. Back to you, Gab.
Thank you, Papa. Now, for the national news, here's Ann Nicole Angud for the details.
A police officer was shot dead by a man who ran a Macatamores, Santa Rosa City, Laguna yesterday. Police officer Juan Aria Borda died at the scene, while the suspect, who was yet to be identified, was also shot and killed by his companion, Police Officer 3 Igreja Lernante. The suspect reportedly grabbed the gun of one of the mall security guards and threatened to shoot customers. This is Anicole Angud reporting. Back to you, Winda.
Thanks, Anne. And now, let's have a short break. We will be right back after this commercial.
Who's the real deal when it comes to education? Students or teachers?
Why is our teacher always late? It's really annoying.
Yeah, but they should pick up someone in our class to go to them, and they can give the activities even if they will not or will go to our class so that our time will be productive.
Look, here he is.
I heard you talking about us. Why is that so?
Nothing, sir.
Yes, sir, nothing. But seriously, sir, we are confused why some teachers are late.
Let me ask you this. Why are you students not listening when teachers are teaching?
This commercial is brought to you by Department of Education.
We're back, and now, for the local news, I have this report. Last January 29, 2015, New Era High School held Battle of the Bands, presented by the math teachers at New Era High School Covered Court. It was a day filled with rock and roll as teachers and students from different sections and levels showed their abilities in singing and playing instruments. It was also a catastrophe for audience as many gatecrashers bashed the events. Good thing the safety officers restored the peace and the events became successful. At the end, Dear Ivory took the win for the best band of the event. This is John Gabriel Borromeo reporting.
Time check! It's 8 in the morning. This time check is brought to you by Tamalianas Dentures. Makes you smile confidently in every second.
For sports news, here's Nico Tamaliana.
New Orleans Pelicans break the Atlanta Hawks' 19-game winning streak in a 115-110 loss in their match at the Smoothie King Center, New Orleans, Louisiana. Anthony Davis led Pelicans with 29 points and 13 rebounds, while Jeff Teague scored 15 points for the Hawks. Eric Gordon scored 20 points for the Pelicans, while Tyreke Evans scored 15 points and a season-tying 12 assists for 4 consecutive games. Omen Asik, on the other hand, out-rebounds Hawks with 17 rebounds, while Davis got 8 offensive boards. Bench production was a big factor for Pelicans. Pelicans gained victory and shuts down Atlanta's winning streak, which is the franchise's highest record. This is Nico Tamliano reporting. Back to you, Winda.
Thank you, Nico, and that's the hottest news for today. Once again, I'm Winter Linares,
And I'm John Gabriel Borromeo,
reporting
reporting for
for The
The Press.